In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana reporting dashboards. Now, whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a large project, Asana's dashboards can offer you real-time insights into your workflows and help keep everything on track. Let's dive in and see how you can harness these powerful features to get the most out of your team's efforts. First, you'll want to access the dashboard. Start by navigating to the project or portfolio you're interested in. Once there, simply click on the Dashboard tab. This tab is your gateway to customized visualization of all the data associated with your project. It might be a good idea to explore different projects or portfolios to familiarize yourself with the data inputs available. Next, let's bring widgets into the mix by adding them to your dashboard. To do this, click on the Plus Add Widget button. The beauty of Asana's dashboard is its flexibility with the variety of charts available. For a start, you can choose a bar chart. This is great for visualizing tasks by section or custom fields, making it easier to see how work is distributed. If you're interested in monitoring the progress and completion status of tasks, the lollipop chart is your friend. It provides a clear visual representation of how much work has been done and what's left. For those interested in understanding workload distribution, consider adding the donut chart. This chart efficiently breaks down how work is allotted among team members or sections, offering a comprehensive view of who's doing what. A burn-up chart, on the other hand, is effective for tracking team productivity over time, showing you the total amount of work completed against the scope and time. Lastly, if your focus is on numerical data, such as budgets or hours worked, the numeric roll-up widget will provide you a summarized overview in just a glance. Once your widgets are in place, it's time to customize them to meet your exact needs. First, select the data source, which could range from tasks to custom fields specific to your project. This ensures that the data represented is tailored specifically to the criteria you care about. Then, apply any necessary filters. Filters such as date ranges or specific assignees help refine the data, allowing your dashboard to focus only on what matters most to your current objectives. You can also adjust the visual styles. Tailoring visual elements can make your dashboard not only functional but also pleasant to review at a glance. Finally, remember that interactivity is key. Each chart within the dashboard allows you to click on different data points. By doing this, you can drill down into specific tasks, projects, or goals. This capability provides a seamless transition from a high-level overview to detailed analysis, enhancing your ability to make informed decisions quickly. With these insights, you're now empowered to use Asana's reporting dashboards to streamline project management and foster an environment of clarity and productivity.